Current Affairs Today's headlines. August 30, 2022. India. Queen Maxima of Netherlands calls on President Draupadi Murmu in New Delhi. Francisco Teodoro Maldonado Guevara, Ambassador of Ecuador 2. Ahmed Ali Dahir, Ambassador of Somalia 3. Philip Ackermann, Ambassador of Germany 4. Arunkumar Hardian, Ambassador of Suriname. Economy and Corporate. All subsidized fertilizers, including urea and DAP, diammonium phosphate, to be sold from October under single brand name, Bharat, as part of the centre's One Nation, One Fertilizer initiative. Delhi HC sets aside arbitral award directing ISRO's Antrix Corporation to pay damages of $562.2 million, with interest to Devas Multimedia Private Limited for unlawfully terminating a deal in 2011. Large-scale exports and deepening the ecosystem vital to higher domestic value addition in electronics sector. ICRIER report. Stop charging platform fee on BBPS, Bharat Bill Payment System, Payments. NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, directs payment apps. World. Iraq. Influential Shia cleric Muqtada al-Sadr, 49, announces retirement from politics. Pakistan floods. First aid flights begin arriving in country from Turkey, UAE. International Day Against Nuclear Tests observed